Abante babae.
Abante babae talaga, malalim to. Well, ako, playing every time kasi I step into a role, the shoes of my character, every time nagsistart ako ng character, dyan nangangapa talaga ako at first day. And playing that character for specifically Gabriela Rivera, habang tumatagal, parang nagkakaroon ako ng deep appreciation for women who thrive in tough situations. Women who are so strong in their masculine energy. Women who work in male-dominated society. Sobrang nagkaroon ako ng matinding respeto, malaking respeto sa kanila. Kasi ako yung experience ko bilang babae dito sa action series. Iba eh, may malaking adjustment for me. It's the, adjusting to a new genre,